Hi, now I'm going to show you how to highlight a top uh, 5 values or top 10 values in a list. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I have here is number of months and each month how many visits done in the each month, okay, of a particular tourist place. Okay, now what I'm going to do, which are the months having a top visits, top maximum number of visits, top 5 maximum number of visits. Okay, so I'm going to highlight from the list. This list is not sorted list, the values are different in each visit. Okay, now each month we are going to find which are the top 5, what are the months having the top 5 number of visits. That means the maximum number of visits in the sorted order. So now what I'm going to do is I'm not going to sort it. If you want, you can see, I can show you what is the result here. Okay, okay, what I'm going to do is I just sorting it to show what is the values. Sort by number of visits, largest to smaller. You can see the top 5s are these. Okay, this is the top one is February, May, December, August, October. But in this way you will get the months are sorted, also months are scrambled here, so you won't have a proper months in the months order. So what I'm going to do, I just highlight in this cell what are the top 5 number of visits. Okay, how to do that? First you select from the list what list you want to find out, the top 5 or top 10 or whatever your given list. Go here, you can see in the conditional formatting, go to the conditional format. Conditional format is in home, conditional formatting, top bottom rules. Okay, what I'm going to do is top 10 items. Okay, or you can also select more rules. So what I'm going to do is I just select top 10 now. Conditional formatting, I will show you how to do top 5 later. First I will select top 10 items which is given, and okay, in the top 10 items you can also select top 5 items. Go here, green fill, dark, given color, you can change it to any color. Okay, now you see the top 10s are already automatically, top 5s are highlighted, which is nothing but the same values. You change one of them, February, enter. Oh, this still remains top 66. See, the other item becomes green and it removes the conditional formatting color because it is out of the top 5. Okay, this is the way you can highlight any list with any list top 5 items using the conditional formatting. Hope this video is helpful to you. See you in the next video. Bye.